Okay, so we are continuing. We have finished up to M. So N has an error. They said in A2 type in rental info sorted by model of vehicle. Bold the text and merge and center this text across A2. So this is not supposed to be A2, it's supposed to be A1. It was an error, right? So this is supposed to be A1 and this is supposed to be I1. So this is what we'll be doing. Let me show you. So what they would want you to do is insert a column, first of all, because A1 already had something in it, right? So we are going to insert a column, and they said from A1 to I1, but I would tell you to do it till H, because that's fine. Okay, maybe till I, that's fine. Okay. Um, to I1, so we're gonna highlight from A1 to I1, and we're going to go to merge and center. And they told us to type out in rental info sorted by model of vehicle. I'm just gonna copy it, but y'all can type it out if you need to. And there it is. And they said to bold it, so make sure you bold it. I didn't bold it, right? Bold it. Now I have all of these things big. I'm not sure if they had specified any font size or anything. So it's not necessarily that you all have to copy my font size. Oh yes, they said increase the size to 14, right? So this would also probably be size 14 as well, right? And it's bolded and it's across the entire page from A to I, right? So let's go back down. So that is up till N that we have done here. So O now, they said copy the data from the sorted sheet, sorted info worksheet into a new sheet in the same cells. I'm not going to do that again. I'm going to um, just copy the sheet like this. So I'm going to go down to my name of my tab. I'm going to go to move and copy, put move to end, create a copy, and click OK. Right, so it created a copy of the data for me again. So O says copy the data, right? So we copy the data. Use a simple filter to obtain all the owners who are renting more than 3 vehicles. In A1, replace the heading with filter data showing owners who are renting out more than 3 vehicles. So I'm just going to copy the heading there. And up here, I'm going to go here and replace this with what they had said to replace it with, right? Filter data showing owners who are renting out. Now they want a filter, a simple filter. So how we do this is we go to data and we select our filter here. We select our data and then we go to filter. And if you notice, when you click on filter, it puts these little arrows. Let me just come off. You see these little arrows here, right? So we're going to click here and we are going to do a filter on the number of cars. So we have here number of cars, and we are going to filter um, anything more than 3, right? So 3 or more. So we have 3, 4, and if you all had numbers anything more than 4, you just tick it off and then you click OK, and it's going to do a simple filter only of the owners who have cars, 3 or more cars, and it's going to give you that, right? So again, you go up to filter, you select the data first, you go up to filter, you click on filter, and then you come to the little arrow here where it says number of cars, because if you go back to the description, it says use a simple filter to obtain all the owners who are renting out more than 3 vehicles, right? Place the heading, center and merge. Rename this sheet simple filter. So we go back down and we rename this sheet simple filter, right? And that is it for O. We have completed O.